Chapter 1. The Two Gardeners. Letting go is probably one story lesson that can teach both the child and the parent valuable lesson. Children are hands down very impressionable and sensitive, and there are times when you, as a parent, might not want to accept that a line needs to be drawn, as children need to become independent. Here is a story that talks about the challenges of learning to do things on your own, through stronger roots. Once, there lived two neighbors who used to grow the same plants in their respective gardens. One neighbor was fussy and took extreme care of her plants. The other neighbor did what was required, but left the leaves of the plants alone to grow as they pleased. One evening, there was a huge storm, accompanied by heavy rainfall. The storm destroyed many of the plants. The next morning, when the fussy neighbor woke up, she found that the plants had been uprooted and destroyed. However, when the more relaxed neighbor woke up, she found that her plants were still firmly rooted in the soil, having weathered the storm. The plant of the relaxed neighbor had learned to do things on its own. So, it had done its bit of work, grown deep roots, and made a place for itself in the soil. Thus, it had stood firm even in the storm. However, the fussy neighbor used to do everything for the plant, thereby not teaching the plant how to sustain on its own. Moral: sooner or later, you have to let go and become independent. Unless you stop fussing, nothing will work on its own. Chapter 2. You are as brave as you think. A mahout uses elephants to conduct circus shows. He has 5 elephants and keeps them chained through a single rope held not so tight. As the elephants are huge and strong, they could have broken the rope and escaped. One day, a man who visits the circus asks the mahout why the elephants are not trying to escape when the rope is not strong enough to hold them. The man is amazed to hear the reply. The mahout says, since their young years, the elephants have been conditioned to believe they were not capable of breaking the rope and they lacked the strength. And that is the reason why these elephants never tried to escape. Moral: our limitations and strengths lie within us. We can achieve anything if we believe we can achieve.
Chapter 3. Potato, Egg and Coffee Beans. A little boy named John lives in a beautiful home with his parents. One day, his father finds him crying and asks if something is wrong. John says meekly, I have so many problems in life, and talks about his problems. John's father patiently listens to him. Then he brings a bowl and places a potato, an egg and some coffee beans in it. He asks John to touch and feel the ingredients in the bowl, and tell what he feels about them. John describes how he feels about each of them on touching. The father smiles and asks John to place them all in 3 different bowls and pour water in them. He then boils them all. After a few minutes, the father turns off the stove and places all the bowls on the counter to cool them down. When they have cooled down, John's father asks him to touch them once again and feel the egg, potato, and coffee beans. John has a different answer this time. And he says, the potato's skin is easier to peel as it has turned very soft, the egg has hardened, and there is a fresh coffee aroma coming from the beans. Listening to John, his father smiles and tells him how the potato, egg, and coffee beans reacted to adverse situations. The potato has become soft, the egg turned very strong, and the coffee beans have changed their form completely during their testing time in the boiling water. Moral: problems are a part of life. How we react to them makes us a better individual.